was sent this set of 100 O-rings and asked to give my opinion on them and make this short video. So let's see what you get. These are going to come in different sizes, individually wrapped in these bags. So whereas online you might see just this case full of O-rings, they do come by size, sorted and organized in these bags. So you've got a variety of different sizes here. A total of 100. Some are extremely small. You can see these here, extremely small. And then these other ones go up to about, not quite a half an inch in diameter. So these are going to be, looks like they're numbered here, probably 10 millimeter, 8s, 2, yeah. So very small how these are. And in the other side here, a little bit larger ones here. It's like a 12, and then some small ones as well. So you can keep them in these bags. You can take them out, put them in the case if you want, whatever you got to do to keep them organized. But these are going to be useful for a lot of things. Within your plumbing, you often will have situations where the O-rings will get tired and you have a leak. You got to pull those out. But another way that these are used, a lot of people are using them with their piercings. So if you've got piercings and you've got different gauges that people are putting in their ears or whatnot, these can be useful inside that to keep that gauge expanding. And if they want to make it larger, you continually use larger size O-rings over time in combination with some other hardware that they're using. And the different sizes here allow it to grow with you as you work through that. Overall, very affordable. You get a ton of different O-rings here. They're going to be useful for all kinds of uses. It's made out of silicone. They're going to last, and you're going to be able to take care of whatever leaks you have or make progress on those gauges. If that's what you're working on for your jewelry, and then for your ears and whatever else you're piercing these days. Hope that helps. Have a great day.